Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Queen B fired right up. 245. Get ready to hit the junkyard, get a few things for a few people. John and a couple other folks and me. And I'm going to stop getting me a stuffed sopapilla first. And I got to test several blend door motors. I couldn't get my test stand to do it. In the salvage yard holding it down. Somebody wrecked the S40. Like an 05 or an 06. They didn't have the keys, so they had to crash the trunk open. Looked like the only one on deck. Man, I tried to set up my gimbal today. Didn't have a part for it. So we still on the old shaky road to the junkyard. But I got a lot to do today. Hopefully I can do it quickly and proficiently, so I can get everything I need to get done. Get out of here. I need to check with Oscar real quick. See if he still needs a fuel tank cap from this XC90. Let me check with him. I'll be right back. Somebody's looking for engine covers for the V8 XC90. This one's a I5. The Ocean Race up there is a V8, but it doesn't have any engine covers left. Let's head down to the new row, see if there's anything down there. Then I'm gonna hit that 850 coming close to the crush row, see if I can get a couple things out of it. I'm gonna test those motors for the climate control by the grab handles. See if I get those to work. They're 5 volts from what I tested on my car. Then I'm going to pull all the blend door motors out of it that I can. Then I'm going to hit those two 850s up there. Take them out to the parking lot. Test them on Queen B. So let's get cracking out here with this stuff. I'm going to pull the dash, I think, too. And see if I can get a couple things going. See if we can get some pieces made for the dash. I know the manufacturing stuff I do got going on is not really going. I don't know why I think something else will go. Anyway, all we can do is try. See what we got on these new roads. I don't see any Volvos, Toyotas, Mazdas, Hondas, Audis, Mercedes. Look like a Volvo up there. Nope, that's a BMW. So, we're shooting blanks on Volvos. Pulled both motors out of these ceilings and my contraption did not work with this E-bot thing. But when I put 12 volts directly on the plug, it did work. This second one from the end, the green with the red stripe, is positive. The black one is negative. Now I'm going to try to get this dash out of here, which I don't know if I'm going to get out without a key, but I'll see what happens. And yeah, see if we can get a piece off of this dash that we can get manufactured. Man, I wish I had the key. Most of us, or should I say all of us, because it's built broke, have these cracks and pieces missing from our dash piece that goes across the dash. Once upon a time, somebody made a vinyl piece that covered this and made it look better, but that day has long sailed. So I was told if I could get one of these off of a dash, I don't know how I'll get one that's not broke. Maybe they'll make them. So they screw on 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. However, they're also glued on. Oops, was glued on. So anyway, I'm going to try to get one off of here. Take those screws out. See if I can get this piece to come off of here without falling into 20 pieces. Alex, I took your advice about taking that piece that comes off of the 850 dash across the front that keeps cracking and breaking on us. You said you could pull that off, pull a couple of screws off the back of it and get it off. Well, I got one here I'm gonna ship you. It comes off as about 160 pieces. So after they screwed it on, they put some glue or tape in between it and the dash. So I gotta break it apart off of the piece that's under it so I can separate it. So I'm gonna bag all these pieces and send it to you so you guys can get that thing made. It breaks apart and you'll have to take it and glue all the pieces together so that you can make one. So I'll put all this stuff in a bag or in a box, one or the other, and ship it to you so you guys can work on manufacturing that for us. I appreciate your help, buddy. I'll get all those pieces picked up and shipped off to you. Some fell down there, but we'll get it together, glue it all together, then make a mold of it. Byron needs a window, so I took my jump box, hooked up that connector, and rolled the window down a little bit with my jump box. Rolling it down, the solid green is red and the blue green is ground. Got the window down where I can reach it, so I'm gonna pull those pins out, pull this window out, take this up to Cincinnati with me next week. Can you believe how somebody jacked that radio? Man, that's unbelievable. That's why you got to get things when you see them. Got a couple more blend door motors out of here. I probably got about 5 of them now. That fan up there worked. I'm getting ready to check this one and get out of here. Finally got out of the junkyard. 510. Didn't get everything I wanted to get, but I got 6 blend door motors. I'm going to test them tonight in Queen Bee since it's open. And then I'll try some other stuff. I'm in Queen Bee, as you can see from the pewter on the dash and the low mileage. I'm about to hit this cloverleaf up here to see what's the most comfortable speed before I install the IPD anti-sway bars. So hopefully no car won't get in front of me, and I'll see what I feel comfortable doing in this curve up here. It say 30 miles an hour. I'm going 45 right now. I'm going about 43. I don't feel too comfortable going over that. Yeah, about 43. Going around here. I'm up to 45. I couldn't even stay in my lane at 45, so see how it feels when I get those anti-sway bars on, boy. Seen this stuff bouncing on the highway. Man, it hit right there. I thought it surely was gonna crack this window or dented the car. It hit hard. Startled me. Didn't crack the window though. Oh look, a zip tie. Guess what, party people? Finding myself back at Home Depot. Man, I'm coming to Home Depot as much as I go to the grocery store. Trying to get my cars together. Find myself coming over here every other day. So anyway, I'm gonna try not to buy some tools and see if they got screws I need for pantry. Last time I got screws from Ace Hardware and they just started rusting almost immediately. I'm surprised I got them out. Well, I had to drill one of them out. So hopefully they'll have some here I can use, because I misplaced a couple that I got and 2 wasn't long enough. So hopefully I'll find what I need here. Let's check it out. I got a list of all these screws for these 2-piece brackets on my website, actually on my YouTube video, so that's good. Forgot my mask. Go back to the car and get it. Ay. Wow, look at this parking job. Well, that's it for today. It is, as you can see, 7:20. I'm gonna call it a day, man. The wind is getting ready to pick up here. It's supposed to be blowing. You can see the trees over there, maybe 45 miles an hour with 65-mile-an-hour gusts all night. I hope it ain't blowing in the morning because I got stuff to do. Try to finish up Panther tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.